Hello everybody, welcome to PMN Online. Here I will show you how to export chat history in Microsoft Teams. Now let's talk about why exporting chat history from Microsoft Teams is something you might want to do. Have you ever found yourself digging through endless conversations, trying to recall an important detail from a past discussion? Or perhaps you need to keep a record of conversations for compliance or documentation purposes? Being able to export your chat history can be incredibly useful in these scenarios. It gives you the ability to have a tangible record of your communications, allowing you to refer back to important conversations whenever you need. So, if you're ready, let's dive into the step-by-step process of exporting your chat history from Microsoft Teams. To begin, the very first step you need to take is to sign into your Microsoft Teams account. This is an essential step because without logging in, you won't be able to access your chat history. Once you're successfully logged in, direct your attention to the upper right corner of your screen. Here, you should see your profile picture. Click on it, and a small menu will appear in front of you. In this menu, look for an option labeled My Microsoft Account. Click on this, and it will redirect you to a new page where you'll be able to manage various settings associated with your account. On this new page, you'll come across multiple tabs, but the one that interests us right now is the Privacy tab. So go ahead and click on Privacy. The Privacy settings area is where you can control a lot of details regarding how your data is handled and accessed. This is also the section where we can initiate the process of exporting your chat history. Once you're in the Privacy section, look for an option specifically labeled Teams. This is where all the settings related to Microsoft Teams data are located. Clicking on Teams will bring us one step closer to retrieving that precious chat history. Following this, you should see an option that says Chat History. Click on Chat History and it will take you to the dedicated area that Microsoft provides for the purpose of data retrieval related to your conversations. Now you're almost there. You'll find a button labeled Submit Request. Clicking this button will officially start the process of exporting your chat history. After you submit the request, Microsoft will take over from there. They will handle your request, and once completed, you will receive an exported file of your chat history. It's important to note that this process might take some time, so be sure to keep an eye on your email or notifications for any updates regarding your request. And there you have it. You successfully navigated through all the necessary steps to export your chat history from Microsoft Teams. This method provides you with a way to keep a copy of your conversations, which can be crucial for record keeping or simply revisiting past discussions. By following these steps, you ensure that important information isn't lost and remains accessible whenever you need it. Hopefully, you now have a better understanding of how to export chat history in Microsoft Teams. For more step-by-step tutorials and guides, subscribe to PNN Online and never miss an update.